May I now request Mr. Atul Kapadia from our ground sponsor, Oralium, to please come up on the dais and give their product presentation.
Hello. Good evening, everybody. Myself, Atul Kapadia, on behalf of Oralium Limited. Welcome everybody over here, and we are thankful to the IIPPL 13 for giving us the opportunity to be part of this beautiful event. I also specially thank Mr. Amul Chaudhary, Mr. Sanjay Pate, Mr. Sunil Bhale, Mr. Shyam Shelar for giving us the opportunity to be part of this beautiful event. As you know, we are all in the mood to celebrate this grand event, and everybody is in the enjoyable mood. I won't take much of your time. I'll just go through my company profile. I'll just start with a video of my company, just brief you about the products about us.
Hello, Uncle. Papa.
सोच में बड़ी ताकत होती है। सोच बदलने से ही देश बदलता है। नई सोच ने इंसान को आसमान तो क्या, उसे कहीं आगे पहुंचाया है। अब ऐसी ही एक नई सोच आ रही है रूफिंग में भी। जी हाँ, रूफिंग की नई सोच ओरेलियम। सिर्फ ओरेलियम में है नई टेक्नोलॉजी की नई सोच, मजबूती की नई सोच, आकर्षक डिजाइन और रंगों की नई सोच, किफायती की नई सोच। स्कूल की इमारत हो या घर की छत, बड़ी फैक्ट्री हो या छोटा सा शहर, रूफिंग की नई सोच ओरेलियम। ओरेलियम, रूफिंग में एक नई सोच।
We are basically the aluminum roofing company because it was formed 5 decades back. It is only people used to know as a white metal. And there was nothing like aluminum, galvanium something. And then slowly we started the concept of aluminum roofing under the leadership of Mr. Kuntu and have taken over by the successor Mr. Ahmad Iqbal and Mohammad Ansari. Our vision is to become the #1 brand by 2025 and to supply to almost all the industries, warehouses, factories, housings with the values as mentioned over here. Our group companies, especially being Oralium is the main product. Apart from this, we have the Oralium systems and profiles. We are also into checkered plates, Oriental metal, and also into MK holdings. Only the thing is that because people are aware of the various metal, but I'll just like to brief you why aluminum. Because first and foremost is durable. Basic advantage, once you're using the product, there is zero maintenance cost as there is no corrosion on the top. With a fire resistant, with lightweight, strength and flexibility. We are having a different grade which are used for the roofing, 3105, mainly marine grade 5052. And 3004 grade, which are special grade for the various type of roofings. Apart from normal metal, the basic advantage of being aluminum is once it doesn't get rusted, and basic more advantage being it has a resale value. Even after 20-25 years down the line, if you want to do renovation, you want to change the product, you get a 60% of resale value of what you have spent it over here. Apart from this, heat resistant and durability. These are the various certificates we have got with this thing, like impact, scratch, chemical, salt, and conforming to IS 737. Especially the technology of the paint what we provide is PVDF paint. I think this is one of the unique technology where I think most of people are not aware, because it's lifelong and it is used for various applications like factory, chemical industries, doesn't have a chemical effect on the same. Apart from this, the SDP technology, which has also a long life, which is a scratch resistance as well as doesn't peel off fast and blisters doesn't form on the same. These are the differences between Aurelium GL and the normal PVC. We won't go in the deep, but I can always suggest like a warranty of the paint you can see. Only Aurelium gives this thing, but whereas other doesn't have this thing. And the basic advantage I mentioned is the resale value of the product, reusability, and eco-friendly products, sir. These are the various, we have got the different designs in the product. Like we have got tile design, which is known as a Nova tile, mainly we say Kaula type designs we have got. With various dimensions mentioned, the colors, as we said, we can offer you various colors, around 10 to 12 different shades we can offer you in this thing. We have got two designs in the tiles, Nova tile, another one is a Grand tile. Change the slide. These are the other design. Change the slide. And apart from this, we have got an insulated panel, which is mainly for the sound as well as the insulation. We have got various thickness we can offer you in 30 mm, 40 mm, 50 mm, with all the properties of insulation, heat as well as the sound. And this is a normal sheet mainly used for the commercial purposes, warehouses, industrial application, known as a strong. The same with the more corrugation, we can offer you the tough design also. And these are some of the prestigious projects what we have done with. These are the residential project in Goa, Nagpur, Gujarat, Karnataka, because it's all over pan-India presence we have got it. These are some of the, again, the residential as well as institution project, like factories, clubhouses, schools. You can see the industries also, we have been supplying to them also. Apart from this, we have some other Aurelium products also, like rolls, coils, plain sheet, checker plates, coil board. And apart from this, the normal plain coil also we can offer you. And these are some of the extrusion products, profiles, homogeneous and customized extrusion for the OEMs also. And as we said, we are being the aluminum eco-friendly product, reusable product. So this is a basic advantage of using aluminum for your various applications. So that was all small presentation from Aurelium. We have got our website, we have got a Facebook present everywhere. You can just go through it. You have got the website. And thank you very much, IIPL 13, for giving us the opportunity to be part of this big event. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Atul. I request you to be here on the dais. Can I request Mr. Sumed and Mr. Saurabh, the part of Aurelium team, to kindly join us here on stage. And may I now request Architect Devashish Jaiswal to kindly come up on stage to felicitate our respected ground sponsor for the day, Aurelium, and his team for their valuable contribution. May I request everyone sitting here to give a huge round of applause for our ground sponsor, Aurelium. Thank you for believing in us and partnering with us. Thank you so much. Moving on to our next sponsor, may I request Mr. Preetam Doshi and Tejas Jain from Great White to kindly come up on stage for their presentation. Thank you.
हेलो, गुड इवनिंग दोस्तों। मैं जानता हूँ कि सब लोग यहाँ पर जो है वो एक अलग मूड में है और ये वक्त भी नहीं है कि काम की चीज़ कोई डिस्कस करे, बट फिर भी सभी लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा 1-2 मिनट यहाँ पर प्लीज़ देखें। जो क्राउड थोड़ा पीछे खड़ा है और जो क्राउड आगे बैठा है, सब लोग एक बार IIPL के लिए ज़ोरदार तालियां बजाएंगे पहले। It's great to be with you all architects today evening, and the greatness come from the Great White. So myself Pritam Doshi, representing Great White Electricals. Great White Electricals एक नाम, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंडस्ट्री का एक मशहूर नाम, कुछ लोगों को पता होगा, कुछ लोगों को पता नहीं होगा, बट दो चीज़ें मैं 2 मिनट में सबके लिए कहना चाहूँगा। जैसे आपको मालूम है 1963 में एक कंपनी इलेक्ट्रिकल में जो आई थी जिसका नाम था एंकर, यही एंकर कंपनी बाद में 2007 में पैनासोनिक के साथ वेंचर हो गया और सेम ग्रुप ने नए नाम से शुरुआत की इलेक्ट्रिकल इंडस्ट्री में, वो है ग्रेट वाइट। सो टुडे ग्रेट वाइट एज अ ब्रांड इट्स ओनली 12 years old, बट एज एन एक्सपीरियंस एंड एज एन टोटल मार्केट प्रेजेंस it's more than 60 years into the market. So here we are today here to represent what our products are and what we do and what we supply towards the market. So एक छोटा सा ऑडियो वीडियो प्रेजेंटेशन है। मैं फिर भी चाहूँगा एक बार रिक्वेस्ट करके कि सब लोग एक 2 मिनट निकाल के, शाम हसीन है, सबके हाथों में ग्लास हसीन है, 2 वक्त का हमारे लिए वक्त अगर आप 2 मिनट्स का निकाल पाए तो हम लोग भी बहुत खुशकिस्मत रहेंगे। Here's the Great White for you.
गुड मूव ब्रो, लेकिन अब तो प्रैक्टिस बंद कर।
गुड काफी नहीं है, परफॉर्मेंस हो तो ग्रेट।
ओहो मेरे शेर, लुकिंग नाइस हाँ।
Not just nice, it's gotta be different, stylish and spectacular. Party mode on.
Home automation, that's smart style.
अरे स्मार्ट नहीं, ग्रेट।
Leave everything ordinary, go for great.
Tiger Shroff is our brand ambassador for Great White, and here I'm just paying an AV, small AV for our factory and our products. Manufacturing capacities in Haridwar and Valsad with more than 4,500 people working, and is awarded as the fastest 50 growing brand in India. Great White, the future of bright. दोस्तों इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रोडक्ट्स तो बहुत सारी कंपनियां बनाती है, बट आज अपने ग्रेट वाइट में क्या खासियत है और क्या स्पेशलिटी है मैं आपको सिर्फ 1 मिनट में बताना चाहूँगा। ग्रेट वाइट जैसे मैंने कहा एक 60 साल पुराना ग्रुप है जो इस इंडस्ट्री में है। ग्रेट वाइट अपने सारे स्विचेस और वायर्स पे लाइफ टाइम गारंटी देता है। आई अगेन रिपीट, we provide lifetime return guarantee for all our switches and wires what we supply. इसका यही मतलब है कि आपने अगर आपके कस्टमर्स को रिकमेंड किया है अपना ब्रांड तो उनको आप लाइफ टाइम की गारंटी दे सकते हैं। वो 25 साल के बाद भी अगर कोई स्विच खराब हो गया तो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट उसको अपना डीलर रिप्लेसमेंट करके देगा। वी हैव अराउंड 1500 प्लस डीलर्स इन मेट्रो सिटीज एंड मोर देन 4500 डीलर्स प्लस इनटू द रूरल एरियाज, अ लॉन्ग वास्ट नेटवर्क कवर्ड अक्रॉस द कंट्री। प्रोडक्ट रेंज में जैसे बात करते हैं, यू नो देयर इज अ प्रोडक्ट रेंज फॉर द प्रीमियम टू द अफोर्डेबल. द प्रीमियम रेंज covers of Arcus, which is a very premium, and it has an inbuilt automation systems also. Myra is our secondary flagship range, where we provide glass plates and all a range of switches in that, with a multiple color options of white, black, grey and magnesium. Trivo is a beautifully crafted switch with flat series and a curved series. These are the regular electrical products what we require. We also have a complete range of lighting, giving good architectural looks and satisfying your architectural needs. Again, coming to wires and cables, we supply a entire range of wires and cables required for the housing and the LT purposes. We also supply communication cables. I am not going into much details. And a range of entire beautiful fans, including the table and the ventilation fans. We are also the world's one of the largest manufacturers of protection devices such as MCBs, DBs and everything. Coming up, we have a lot of certifications and a lot of supplies projects going up with approvals such as PWD, MSCDCLs and everything. So basically we can say we are a 60-year-old group into the industry. We're providing a lot of electrical solutions into the market. Now I would like to give the mic to my colleague Mr. Tejas Jain for explaining our new upcoming automation division. Please go through it. It will be a lot of use for you to understand the things and what's the technology going ahead of.
Hello. Thank you so much for the introduction. So Great White is not into just electricals, we are into automation too. I don't want to go with all the technical details what we have and what we don't have. But video. So see, in automation, Great White has a wide range of automation. Retrofit, for example, अगर वायरिंग हो चुका है तो वी हैव अ सोल्यूशन कॉल्ड एज रेट्रोफिट. अगर डाली बेस्ड ऑटोमेशन में जाना तो वी हैव सोल्यूशन कॉल्ड एज डाली बेस्ड ऑटोमेशन. सो ग्रेट वाइट हैज ऑल दी ऑटोमेशन फ्रॉम बेसिक रेट्रोफिट से लेके प्रीमियम में. आई डोंट वांट टू गो कि क्या टेक्निकल डिटेल्स है. वी हैव अ बूथ टुडे कॉल्ड एज ग्रेट वाइट. वहाँ पे 1-to-1 में मिलते हैं, अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं, एंड लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वी कैन कनेक्ट एंड एलिवेट टू दी ऑटोमेशन. वी हैव ऑल दी रेंज बेसिक टच से लेके पुश VMAR based automation, which is KNX based automation. Great White is strategic partner for VMAR based automation, जो Italian brand है, which is more into luxury based automation. So thank you all for the situation and understanding what we have in our portfolio. I would like to conclude with Preetham sir what we have in automation and electrical.
Once again, I would like to thank all my friends who have given us a chance to represent our company over here. So enjoy your dinner, enjoy the party. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Great White. And this was Mr. Preetham and Mr. Tejas. May I request you to please be here on the dais? I request Mr. Sandeep Mishra to please come up on the dais. And I may also request Architect Deepak Garkal sir to please come up on the stage and felicitate Great White for their contribution. Let me tell you, Great White, they are our dinner sponsors for today. So the delicious dinner that all of us are going to enjoy today is sponsored by Great White and team. Thank you so much, Great White. And coming up are two more short presentations. I request all of you to please pay your attention here on stage. And there's an important announcement for everyone. There's an identity card, an ID card given to all of you on behalf of the organizing committee of IIAPL season 13. It's a humble request to everyone to wear your ID cards. This has come from the team, the organizing team. They've just told me that there were outsiders who were here present some time back. So it's a humble request to everyone to please wear your ID cards. Thank you. Coming up next is a presentation on special purpose ventilation and ducting fans by Raj Industries.
6, 8, 10 and 12 inches. We will now demonstrate the installation procedure of an inline fan. Few things to note about the fan. This is a mixed flow fan. We need to note the discharge and suction sides. Also, note the flow direction. It propels 500 cubic meter of air in an hour and takes 50 watts to do so. Rotating at a staggering speed of 2600 RPM, it requires 9 inches clear space in the ceiling and 12 inches across the pipeline direction. For a 2-point installation, you will need a 6-inch PVC pipe, 1 90-degree elbow joint, 1 T-socket joint and duct tape. Firstly, remove the belt strap by removing the screw and lock mechanism. Next, remove the motor assembly carefully. You don't want this sleeve to fall. We will now install this frame by fixing it to the ceiling and connecting it to the pipes. Lay the pipe along the ceiling, keeping a gap of 2 inches from the bottom of the ceiling slab. Pipe should not touch the ceiling slab. Fit the elbow and T-socket at the desired location and fit the fan frame at the location intended for the fan. Plan a trapdoor in the false ceiling below the fan, dimensions 12 by 12 inches approx. Insert the motor unit and make the electrical connections as per the layout sticker. Seal both the ends of the inline fan with duct tape or aluminum tape. Remove the mounting ring from the diffuser and screw fix it to the ceiling around the elbow and T-socket holes. Fasten the disc valve to this ring. Adjust the disc for desired flow. You can change the diffuser as per usage and liking. Your Watt Bros inline fan is now ready to keep your room fresh.
Ladies and gentlemen, this was Watt Bros, and it's a humble request to everyone. The display of all these fans is displayed here at one of our stalls called as Raj Industries, who are the dealers of Watt Bros here in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. So it's a kind request to all of you to find some time from your precious time and do visit their stall for some time to gather more information. May I call upon Mr. Sandeep Karwa, Mr. Mukesh Dudhani, and Mr. Ritesh Sahani on behalf of Raj Industries to receive the felicitation on behalf of IIA Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. May I request architect Deepesh Parkar to please come up on stage and felicitate the representatives of Raj Industries. The second. Thank you. A huge round of applause for Raj Industries. Do visit this stall to gather information about these special purpose ventilation and ducting systems. Thank you. Coming up next is another presentation, another AV of Mantri Marbles, and may I request all of you to please keep your eyes on the stage. The musical evening after this presentation.
Selection of granite and marble tiles. Our shop is dedicated to providing premium quality materials sourced from trusted suppliers, ensuring durability and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're designing a modern kitchen, a sophisticated bathroom, or a stylish commercial space, our expert team is here to assist you in finding the perfect tile solution. Visit us to experience a seamless blend of quality, variety, and personalized service for all your granite and marble tile needs. Marble Industries, our dedication to luxury extends to our exquisite collection of Italian marble. Renowned for its timeless elegance and distinctive characteristics, our Italian marble selection, including Carrara, Calicatta, and Statuario, reflects sophistication and refined taste. We take pride in sourcing these premium Italian marbles from reputable suppliers, ensuring that each slab meets the highest standards of quality. Whether you are envisioning a classic Carrara for a soft, grey backdrop, a bold Calicatta with pronounced veining, or the dramatic beauty of Statuario, our collection caters to diverse preferences. Our expert team is here to guide you through the selection process, understanding that each project is unique. Whether you're designing a luxurious bathroom, an opulent living space, or a high-end commercial environment, our Italian marble options provide the perfect touch of opulence. Visit Mantri Marble Industries to immerse yourself in the world of Italian marble, where quality meets artistry. Experience the richness of these exquisite materials and let our team assist you in bringing a touch of Italian luxury to your projects.
This was Mantri Marbles, and to receive the felicitation on behalf of IIA, may I request Mr. Supram Kala and Mr. Ladha from Mantri Marbles to join us here on stage. May I request architect Swapna Dhavle to kindly come up on the dais to felicitate our sponsor, Mantri Marbles. Mr. Supram Kala and Mr. Ladha to receive this heartfelt gratitude on behalf of IIA Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar Center. A huge round of applause for Mantri Marbles. Thank you. Thank you for partnering with us. Thank you, ma'am.